Hello students, good morning. Hope you all are fine today. Today we move to our next topic from chapter number 5, Audacity. Next topic is creating a project, new project. Okay. First of all, Audacity is used for editing your audio files. Now, how to create a new project in this Audacity here? A project can have a single track or a multiple track. A project contains the audio files and other information like volume level, track names, etc. To start a new project in Audacity, you have to select File and click on the New option. To set the preferences for properties like a sample rate, sample format for the project. So, see, the steps are given in your textbook. First step is select edit and click on the preferences. Okay. After clicking on the preferences dialog box will appear on your screen. Then click the quality category. Sample format is a number of bits forming a sample. The larger the number, more is the information stored in each sample. Hence, a better would be quality of sound. Notice that the by default rate sample is your 44,100 Hz and the default sample format is a 32-bit float. So both these affect the quality of the audio file. Okay. Then the last step is to click the OK to close the preferences dialog box. Student, from in this topic you have to remember only the by default rate sample. Okay, the by default sample rate is 44,100 Hz and the by default sample format is 32-bit float. Please remember this and note down anywhere. Say this is your preferences quality window. In this setting you can able to see this all by default sample rate over here, which is already selected 44,100 Hz, and by default sample format is also selected, that is 32-bit float. Okay, this is a by default. If you don't want this, then you can select any sample rate from here. Okay, the quality is given. Go to edit and click on the preferences if you want to change the sample rate and sample format. See, in your textbook the top tip also given over here. The higher the value of the default sample rate is and the larger will be the size of the file, higher value of the default sample format, the wider will be the range of the volume that you can have within each sample of the record. Okay, please read these tip tops also. Next you are having importing and playing audio files. See, importing means editing. Okay, importing and playing audio files. See, you can use these all audio formats: WAV, AIFF, MP3, okay, MP4. These are some common audio file formats that can be opened in Audacity. Okay, so you want to open first audio file in your Audacity window. Okay, so how to open here audio file? Go to file and click on the open and then click on the import audio. Okay, the select one or more audio files. This dialog box will open here. See, these are the by default audio file which are there in our computer. If you don't have this by default file or a sample file, sample music over here, then you can download one sample music from the Google. Okay, let me show you how to download the sample file from the Google. See here, first of all you have to open Google over here. and type here sample audio mp3. Okay, then you can select your first file. See, after that scroll it down and see many sample mp3 files are available over here. You can select any sample file. Okay, see, and click on the download. Okay, see, my file is downloaded. Students, if you are having sample file in your computer, then you can open your computer, my computer or this PC, and click on the music and see. In this I don't have any sample file. I already downloaded that sample file, C .mp3. Okay, so I will select this sample file and keep in my computer music. Okay, I copy and paste this sample file from here. After downloading the sample file, you can drag and drop a sample file in the Audacity window to open it. Okay, on opening the file, the screen shows a stereo waveform for the file opened. The right channel is displayed in the bottom half of the track and the left channel is displayed in the top half. So the loudness of the audio is directly proportional to the waveform size. This means that the audio is louder where the waveform reaches closer to the top and bottom of the track. Okay, first you have to import and playing the audio file in your Audacity window. So first what you have to do, select one or more audio file from here and click on the open tab. Okay, after opening this selected audio file is open in your Audacity window. See, this is my Audacity file is open here. When your file will open, it's look like this. Okay, see, this is my Audacity window and your file name, your audio file name will be showing on this top bar. See, here the track name is given over here in your left hand side. Then the track control panel, this is a gray area on your left hand side, this is your track control panel. Then this is your left channel and this is your right channel. This all is your left channel and this is your right channel, and this is your audio track over here. Okay, means this is the half part of your audio and this is the another half part of your audio. Okay, likewise. See students, you can able to see this in the project rate. See the project rate, this is your by default project rate. I am telling you this again and again because this will come in your exam. Okay, then see, all components are available on this Audacity tag. In the first video I already show you the components of the Audacity. Now the next is the duration of the audio can be measured in minutes and seconds using the ruler, the timeline above the waveform. To listen to the imported audio, click the play button on the transport toolbar. To stop the playback, click the stop button. Okay, play and stop button, these are your space bar. Okay, on your keyboard. See, this is the shortcut key is given in your textbook. Play and stop. If you want to play your video, if you want to stop your audio, then you can click on the space bar button. Okay, see, in this is your transport toolbar. Okay, play, pause, stop button is given. Okay, then previous and forward is button is given, then recording button is given. This is your transport toolbars, and other toolbars are also given over here. Components are given. Okay, then next topic is how to make a recording. There are some steps given in your textbook. Select speaker as the output device and microphone as the input device in the device toolbar. See, this is your device toolbar. You have to click on the start monitoring. Okay, see, this is your select speaker and this is your microphone. See, this is your select speaker and this is your microphone, and also select the input channel as a mono. Okay, this is the recording, how to record. Then next third step is click on the downward arrow next to the microphone symbol in the meter toolbar. Downward arrow next to the microphone symbol, that is your meter toolbar. Then click on start monitoring. Okay, see here, this is here you need to select. See, the mono is selected over here. Here you need to select the start monitoring. Okay, now adjust the recording volume using the input volume slider in the mixer toolbar. Input volume slider is given in the mixer toolbar. See, this is your mixer toolbar here. Okay, input volume, fast and slow. Okay, the volume is up and then next one is click the record button. See, the red one, this is your record button. You need to click on this, and in this record button is available on your transport toolbar. When you click on this record button, the recording will be start. Then notice the waveforms appearing when you are recording. There should be no clippings in the recording. Okay, clipping occurs when the top or the bottom of the waveform gets shaved off. This result is in sudden harshness at those points during playback. Okay, after recording you need to click on this stop button. Okay, see, this is your adjusting the input volume and this is your recorded sound. Okay, these two windows are showing in your textbook. See, I told you before in the Audacity, to know where clipping might have occurred in the recording, you need to click the view and show the clipping. See, it will showing you in the red color. This is your clipping. Audacity will show you the red bands in the waveform to indicate clippings. If you have parts of the waveform cut or clipped, it indicates that the recording level was high. It means if the harsh noise will come from your audio file, then it will showing you in the red color. That is called a clipping. Okay, now how to view this clipping? Here click on the view and click on show clipping. This much is there in this video, students. Now the next topic we will cover in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.